Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are fine. So today I'm going to present a review of the TED Talk titled How to Build a New Tomorrow for Yourself by Sidra Iqbal. This talk is a motivational speech that focuses on a personal growth, mindset change, and overcoming failure in life. In this talk, Sidra Iqbal explains that building a better future does not depend on luck or uh, other conditions. Instead, it depends on how we think, how we respond to challenges, how we deal with failure, how we face problems. She encourages the audience to stop fearing mistakes and instead learn from them. The main idea of her talk is that failure is not the end of life, it is a part of success. Many people become afraid when they fail and stop trying again, but according to her, successful people are those who keep moving forward even after failure. She compared failure to a temporary pause in life, not a permanent stop. Basically, successfully and pass girl, intelligent girl, not mean that he has success in everything. It means that he cannot practice again and again. This is a part of our success. Failure is a part of our success. Another important point she discussed is the pressure of society. She explained that many people live their lives trying to satisfy others. They make decisions based on what their family, friends, or society will think. This leads to stress, confusion, or loss of personal identity. She advised people to stop living for approval and start living for their own purpose and passion. She also talks about fear. According to her, fear is mostly created in our mind. Many of things we worry about never actually happen. We suffer. Um, we suffer a lot. Many of things we worry about never actually happen. We suffer more in imagination than in reality. So instead of being controlled by fear, we should focus on action and progress. And one of the most powerful ideas in her talk is that success becomes more meaningful when it is connected to a bigger purpose. If a person only works for personal success, they may feel empty even after achieving or successful success in their life. Um, but if their goals are connected to helping others or making a positive impact, then their journey becomes a fulfilling. She also uses a beautiful example of an eclipse to explain failure. Just like during an eclipse, the sun is temporarily hidden or goal, and rains may sometimes feel blocked during difficult times, but that does not mean they are gone forever. Um, The light always return, and similarly, success also return after hard times. Overall, the message of this talk is very clear. We should accept failure, stop fearing judgment from others, and focus on building a strong and positive mindset. Life is full of challenges, but our response to those challenges decides our future. In my opinion, this is very inspiring and motivational talk, especially for students and young people. It teaches confidence, patience, and self-belief. The speaker uses simple language and strong example that make the message easy to understand. However, one limitation of the talk that is mostly theoretical, it gives strong motivation but few practical steps. Still, it was very helpful for changing mindset and encouraging positive thinking. To conclude, this TED Talks remind us that better tomorrow starts with our thinking today. If we change our mindset, we can change our future. I think this was all about this TED Talk. So we will meet in next video with next different and inspiring topic. So thank you. Allah Hafiz.